This video is going to show how to import an Autodesk Eagle design file into OrCAD X Presto, which may be necessary when collaborating with contract manufacturers, migrating CAD tools, or utilizing reference designs. Start by opening a blank layout in OrCAD X Presto. To activate a translator in OrCAD X Presto, select File, Import from the menu. Here you can import Altium, PADS, PADS library, and Autodesk Eagle files for translation to OrCAD X Presto. Select Eagle PCB. The Eagle PCB and library translator window opens. Select the ellipsis to load an Eagle board file. Browse to and select the Eagle file and click Open. To save time on a larger design, check Skip Log Details to skip importing the Eagle log data. With the import settings configured, we can start the translation. Select Translate. A log file opens, showing the data that was generated. View and close the log file. The board design opens in the Presto canvas. With the Eagle board imported and translated, you can now review the design, correct errors as needed, and continue with the design process. Quickly import an Eagle layout file in OrCAD X Presto to reuse IP and accelerate your PCB designs. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.